Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Updating my welcome message as a lot of just sub to my channel sent by Lisa of Sutton Stays. So I'll tell you a bit about myself and the channel. As you can see behind me, I love to sew and I do a lot of it. I also can dehydrate, freeze. I grow a lot of my own fruit and veg. Today's harvest: kale for the dehydrator and red currants, which are going to get washed and frozen, and I'll do them at a later date and make them into red currant jelly. I'm not doing them at the moment because we are going through a heat wave. So the last thing I want to do is stand in front of a cooker going. I live on an urban estate in the UK. I have a small amount of ground, few fruit trees that I've planted in the front and an apple tree at the back, and I grow some of my own vegetables. And I show what I do with the produce that comes. And to show you that it can be done, you can subsidise what you eat with what you can grow. I have 3 blue splash chickens which produce eggs which are slightly blue. I've got over 700 videos, different tutorials on canning, dehydrating, freezing, preserving for beginners, sewing clothes, quilting. So have a look through because you'll probably find something that interests you. So thank you. Bye.
It's a